Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Auntie Titi and I love everything wig. So if this is something you might be interested in, or if something that intrigues you, please hang around and stay tuned for the review of this wig that I'm wearing. The wig that I will be reviewing today is by Outre, and the style is Halo Stitch Braid 14 inches. This is what the card looks like. I have the wig in the color DR4 Golden Honey Blonde. The wig is heat safe up to 400 degrees. It comes with a 13x2 lace front ear-to-ear lace. It has HD transparent lace. It also comes with a free braided headband right here. So the wig does retail for about $60, and it does come in special colors, which you can see right here. I cut off the lace, especially the ones near my ear tab. It was a bit irritating, so I cut it off, and I haven't gotten any shedding. I didn't apply heat to it because I didn't feel it necessary to apply heat, so I took mousse and laid it down along with my hairspray. So the length of the wig is about 14 inches. I did cut it to frame my face a bit. So let's go ahead and give you guys a 360 look of the wig. I would say this wig is beginner friendly. If you have worked with a curl like this before, it's very beginner friendly. If you have not, it may be a little bit tricky. Cut the curls to frame your face. So just take smaller sections at a time and cut it in smaller sections, and you should be okay. Because of the length of the wig, I don't think it tangles. I haven't got any tangling, but I haven't combed it all the way through. I just took my pick and wherever I needed to fluff out, that's what I think. This wig is a beautiful wig, a beautiful summer wig. Can you tell by the color? It may get hot if you're in a hotter area. It may be hot, a little bit too hot to wear. So I don't think I would recommend this on an everyday basis, but overall it's a beautiful looking wig. I love the additional braid that they gave there. So you could actually take this off and replace it if you want to, or take it off and wear it without it. Let me say it like that. So can you see the braids? Beautiful. And I love the color, and as a reminder, I got it in the color DR4 Golden Honey Blonde. I did go ahead and use the baby hairs that came with it and just licked it right here on my forehead. And yeah, that's about all I did. So if you love this wig, the color, or anything about it, we could talk about it down in the comments below. If you could be picking it up, if you like it, if you don't like it. And yeah, thank you guys for watching my video. And if you got to the end of the video, you are the real MVP. And if this content is something that you are intrigued about, or if it's something you're interested in, don't forget to go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bells so you don't miss any time that I upload a new video. See you in the next wig. Bye.